Is your TV stuck with a flashing standby light? Don't worry, that little blinking light is your TV's way of telling you something's wrong. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix a flashing standby light, whether your TV is not turning on, keeps rebooting, or just blinks endlessly. Stay till the end, because the last step often solves it for most users. Step 1. Understand what the light means. Before jumping into fixes, let's understand what the flashing standby light actually means. That little light isn't just decoration. It's your TV's way of sending an SOS signal. When the standby light blinks, it's usually telling you something is wrong inside the TV system. Depending on your brand, it can mean a power supply failure, where the board isn't delivering stable current, a firmware crash, where your TV's software froze during startup, overheating, which triggers a safety shutdown, or sometimes a shorted internal component, like a damaged capacitor or LED strip. Each brand, like Sony, Samsung, LG, or Vizio, uses different blink patterns as error codes. For example, 3 blinks might point to a mainboard issue, while 6 blinks can mean a backlight fault. So before anything else, count the number of blinks or see if the light flashes continuously. Note it down. This pattern will help you identify what's really happening. Animated close-up of a red light blinking 3, 4, and 5 times. Blink codes, hidden error messages. Person writing down blink count. Zoom on a TV manual showing troubleshooting section. If the light flashes endlessly and the TV never turns on, it's usually a soft lock, something we can often fix with a power or firmware reset. Let's move to that next. Step 2. Basic power reset. Now for the simplest yet most effective fix, a power reset. This might sound basic, but it actually clears static charges and resets your TV's internal memory. Here's how to do it properly. Unplug your TV from the wall socket completely. Don't just switch it off. Actually pull the plug. Wait for at least 60 seconds. During this time, any residual energy inside the capacitors discharges. While the TV is still unplugged, press and hold the power button on the TV, not the remote, for about 20 seconds. This helps drain the remaining charge. Now plug it back in and turn it on. If the standby light turns solid or disappears and your screen powers up, congrats, your problem was just a power glitch. Close-up of user unplugging the TV. On-screen countdown timer, 60 seconds. Person holding power button on the TV frame. Standby light stops flashing, screen powers on. If it still blinks, don't worry, we'll move deeper. Let's make sure the issue isn't something simple like a loose wire. Step 3. Check cables and connections. Loose or damaged cables are one of the most underrated causes of standby light issues. Let's make sure everything connected to your TV is secure and safe. First, inspect your power cord. Gently run your fingers along it. If you feel bends, cuts, or frays, replace it immediately. Plug your TV directly into a wall socket, not a power strip or surge protector, because extension boards can cause voltage drops. If you have another compatible power cable, try swapping it temporarily to rule out cable failure. Hand-checking cable ends. Plugging directly into a wall outlet. Now, disconnect all HDMI, USB, or external devices. A corrupted input or shorted USB stick can cause the TV to hang at startup. Once everything is unplugged, power up the TV again. If it turns on normally, reconnect your devices one at a time to identify the faulty one. User removing HDMI and USB cables. TV light stabilizing after reset. If your light still flashes after this, the issue might be inside the TV's software. So let's fix that next. Step 4. Internal reset firmware fix. When basic resets fail, it's time to refresh your TV's internal software or firmware. Firmware is what tells your TV how to start up, and when it crashes, the standby light starts blinking endlessly. Here's how to trigger a forced firmware reset. Unplug the TV. Press and hold the power button plus volume down at the same time. While holding them, plug the TV back in. Keep holding for about 15 seconds. This command forces a deeper system reboot, often called a service mode reset. Step-by-step graphics highlighting which buttons to hold. TV rebooting animation with brand logo appearing. After releasing the buttons, give your TV a minute. If it reboots to the setup screen or logo, success. You've cleared a firmware freeze. If not, and the standby light still flashes, then we're likely dealing with a hardware level issue. Step 5. Check for hardware faults. If the standby light continues blinking even after all resets, it's time to check for deeper hardware faults. Don't panic. We're not opening the TV yet. We're just doing safe, external checks. Start by unplugging your TV and letting it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Overheating power boards often trigger safety blinks. Next, gently smell or look near the back vents. If you detect a burnt or plastic-like smell, the power board might be failing. If your TV light blinks in a specific pattern, for example, 3, 5, or 7 flashes, that's a diagnostic code. Search online for your TV brand, blink code 5 meaning, and you'll find the exact fault area, like mainboard failure or backlight error. Animated TV interiors showing power board, mainboard, and backlight inverter. Highlight fault areas. Technician symbol overlay with caution sign. If you're not confident doing deeper repairs, stop here and contact a certified technician. Mention the blink pattern you noted earlier. It'll save time, reduce guesswork, and may lower your repair cost. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more TV troubleshooting guides.